In the previous video, we introduced the INVENTO S110 device for servicing air conditioning and passenger cars. Today, I want to show you a slightly more advanced device, the INVENTO S120. The INVENTO S120 device features a 7-inch touchscreen and 2 operating modes, fully automatic and manual. The machine is equipped with a printer for printing vehicle service reports. There are also 2 SD card slots on the station. The first is used for updating the database, the second for updating the software. The station has 3 bottles, one for oil, one for used oil, and one each for PO and pack. There are electronic scales by the bottles, and the amount of oil dispensed is based on these scales. So the machine dispenses exactly as much as it took in. The service hoses are 2.5 meters long, and there are holders to keep the hoses clean and prevent damage. After turning on the station, the first thing we do is select the oil we'll be working with. And in the main menu, we primarily have the option to activate automatic mode, manual mode, or maintenance, such as changing the filter or the oil in the vacuum pump. Additional functions include, among others, the database and other settings, such as information about our workshop, changing the language, or setting the correct time. In automatic mode, we have 2 operating options. We can enter our own settings, such as the vacuum time and the amount of refrigerant we want to fill, or we can select a vehicle from the database and import data for a specific make and model. In manual mode, just like with the S110 device, we can select each element separately. A major advantage of this station is its extensive database, where you'll find a wide range of vehicles. After selecting the specific one you're looking for, you can find information here about the amount of refrigerant, the type of refrigerant, as well as the type of oil.